The world is ripe with business opportunities. But how do you know which ones are right for your business? With access to accurate, timely data, you're in a good position to make informed decisions that can affect the success of your business. That's where the SAP Business One application comes in. Let's say you're the owner of a small electronics firm and you're thinking of expanding. See what happens when you can base your decisions on timely, up-to-date information with visibility into your company's financial performance, insight into how much business is driven by your product lines and customers, and accurate data across operations. Choose a topic to learn more. One way to check on the health of your business is to make sure your financials are in order. Let's say you want to expand your business. Checking the state of your company's financials is the place to start. First, you review your cash flow, including projected transactions, in SAP Business One. Click OK. Here you can see an overview of cash flow for the last 2 months, including incoming and outgoing business. The balance shows that your company owes a considerable amount of money, and you want to investigate that further. In particular, you want to find out more about the expenses listed for March 30th. Click the caret next to March 30th. You see that more than $266,000 is due to a company called Chicago Express. You can also see a detailed view of the postings and drill down to the transactional level. With SAP Business One, you can easily drill down to see additional detail. To learn more about this expense, click the yellow arrow at the left. Here in the invoice, you can see that your company still needs to pay for the 6 items listed. With SAP Business One, you get a quick, accurate look at your financial standing whenever you need it. In this example, you want to see what's driving your revenue. SAP Business One gives you a sales analysis dashboard where you can get an overview of your sales performance and what's driving it in a concise, easy-to-view snapshot so you can make better decisions. Here, you see that just one customer, CP, accounts for most of your business, and this customer buys only 2 of your products. That means you may carry a lot of products that aren't moving, resulting in excess inventory. But which products are they, and why aren't they selling? To see more, click on Inactive Items. You can search by date, item number, and item group number to get a more detailed analysis. To search from the beginning of the year, click OK. On the Inactive Items list, you see several products with high inventory quantities, so you decide to look more closely at the sales of the motherboard P4 Turbo. Pulling a report will help to determine if sales of the product justify these inventory levels. To see the sales for the past 5 years, enter the date, then click OK. At a glance, you see that there's been only 1 sale of this product in the past 2 years, and the last few orders were returned. Now, you're wondering whether or not you should continue selling this product. You make a note to have a discussion with Brad Thompson and Bill Levine, your key salespeople, to see if they have any objections before you make your final decision. With SAP Business One, you can go from checking on inventory to looking at sales data in just a few clicks. In this example, you want to take a closer look at sales to see if they can support business expansion. You want to analyze annual sales by invoice and get more information by drilling down by item number. Click OK. This detailed report tells you which products are committed, in stock, on order, or available for future sales. The reports you've seen indicate that the current revenue stream doesn't support expansion, and you decide that this is not the time to expand. To keep a record of the factors that influenced your decision, you can drag and drop the relevant screens into one single view. With SAP Business One, you can also create customized dashboards with this information to help you make quick, data-driven decisions in the future. Based on your role, you can see all the information you need to make the right informed decisions for your business, customized and in real time. Before deciding to expand your business, you want to check on your company's financials in SAP Business One. Here, you can see an overview of cash flow for the past 2 months. The balance shows that your company owes a considerable amount of money. You want to find out more about the expense shown for March 30th. You see that your company owes more than $266,000 to a vendor called Chicago Express. Now, you want to check the strength of your customer base. You see that one customer, CP, drives most of your business and that this customer buys only 2 of your products. You want to take a look at inventory that hasn't been moving since the beginning of the year. Wondering if there is a larger problem, you decide to drill into historic sales of one of the inactive products. Now you can see a detailed accounting of sales of this item, who sold it, when it was sold, any returned items, and quantities. With this information, you can determine whether or not to continue selling this item. Finally, you want to analyze annual sales by invoice. The report tells you which products are committed, in stock, on order, or available for future sales. The reports you've seen indicate that the current revenue stream doesn't support expansion, so you decide that this is not the time to expand. You want to save your research, so you drag and drop the relevant screens into one single view. With SAP Business One, you can perform quick, accurate analysis to help you make critical business decisions.